In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make a very clean color change. So I want to show you now how to change colors on your work, your amigurumi or your plushies, so that you have a nice straight line rather than that kind of zigzaggy look that you get with color changes. So if this was my last stitch, this is where I want to bring in my new color. So I'm going to just yarn over and pull through with that new color. Now I'm not cutting any of my yarn. I'm going to be working with both strands. I want to begin by yarning over with my original color, the nougat here, and we bring it up so I have both colors on my hook. I'm going to drop the nougat and now I'm going to bring the blue, yarn over and pull through. I'm going to drop the blue, pick up the nougat, put my hook into my stitch, yarn over, pull through. I have both colors. I'm going to drop the nougat and pick up the blue, yarn over, pull through. Drop the blue, pick up the nougat. So what we're doing is the first yarn over, you pull through the original color. The color that you're introducing, you'll do the last yarn over and pull through. So you see how I'm getting this nice clean line on top. Okay, back to the nougat, pull through. I have both my colors, pick up the blue, yarn over, pull through, drop the blue, pick up the nougat, put my hook in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Okay, pick up the nougat, put in my hook, pull the nougat through, drop it, pick up the blue. So we're just alternating one color then the next color. This works too if you're doing half double crochets, for example. Any stitch that you're changing your color, you just want to make that final pull through in the new color. Okay, see how much cleaner that looks? I'll do a couple with just the blue now so you can see the difference. You can just see how much nicer that looks, given that nice clean line.